Hi, Eric here from Laser Scanning TV, and there are some interesting news from Autodesk and Gaussian Splatting. We as reseller of VRED are heavily involved in Gaussian Splatting application, and now it's some interesting announcement from the Autodesk company that they also now have an integration of Gaussian Splatting in their product line. First product in the Autodesk world what supported Gaussian Splats is the software VRED. And for me, is VRED also very new? But VRED is a special software for design. I think it's used mostly in automotive industry. And in the newest version of VRED, for 27 version, it's now Gaussian Splat and point cloud support inside of VRED. You can see it here. So that's the support. What you see, it's a rendering of a car. And everything here in the surrounding, it's a scan or I don't know, generate from images in Gaussian Splat view. You also see it here. So I think that looks more like VR stuff with these fireplace here. So, but the other ones you saw, it was a inner city location. But you see that you can combine now designs with Gaussian Splats for, I think here, for design and animation purposes. So, and this is now available in the next 27 version. I don't know when this will come out. And I also have one other point here direct from the product manager. I think we can check this here too. And this is like we have our Gaussian Splats. I think that's developed together with VRED. I think VRED was heavily involved in this development. I think we see here now VRED data. So I don't know which one. It is a Portal Cam or it's an L2 Pro. And as you can see, it looks very realistic. They open the doors and you have the feeling that this car is staying inside of this skater park here. But you see it is definitely designed here on the computer screen. And you can also animate this. I think especially for product launchment, it's just very good. I think we don't have to test anymore our products outside. I think we take only a picture from that, a 3D model, and then we take some Gaussian Splats and then we put it outside. Or here, like in the city, it looks quite realistic, to be honest. And I think that's only like maybe some short stuff what they're doing and not heavily rendering of these products. I find this a very interesting news. There's Autodesk official now supported Gaussian Splat. This will be push this technology much further. So the only what we have to see is when they bring out Gaussian Splats for other systems like maybe Navisworks or a normal Autodesk system. Actually, Autodesk VRED is what I hear is a more higher price solution and mostly in these automotive applications. So I don't not yet anybody who have it, but I think it's the first step, and then we will see what come in the future. But interesting news that Autodesk now is supporting also Gaussian Splats. And you stay tuned here, follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment there, or give a recommendation to friends that this is an interesting channel, not only for Gaussian Splatting, for everything with scanning technology. We bring permanently the news and interesting information to products, software, workflow, and events. I say bye-bye, Eric.